Hello all, welcome back to the channel. This is Katanya from Glorified Bodies Fitness. We're going to work our core on a stability ball. So we're going to lay back on it and we're going to do some crunches. So just follow me. We're going to roll out and you're going to keep the tension on your abdominals though. If this is a bit much for you to be in this position, you could roll a little more forward, but just be careful you don't lose the ball. And then crunch that way. So I'm going to go over a little more. I'm keeping the tension on the abs. I'm not allowing my body to drop back. Keep the tension there. So hands on the thighs. We're going to just slide down the thigh. Give a little press into the ball. Exhale and then inhale as you release a little. So that's 2. I'm shaking already. This is so good. And 3. If you feel more comfortable crossing at the shoulder, you can do that. I think it adds more tension to it. 4. 5. Anybody want the challenge? You can take the hands behind the head. 6. Your choice. 7. 8. 9. One more. Get a nice big exhale here. And 10. Let's push up on the ball unless you want to get a little stretch in there. And then pressing back. Feels so good. Release the back. Hamstrings. And let's get a little hip lifts in there. Hip extensions. Get nice tight buns of steel. Okay, it rolls to your head and your shoulders. So lift your hips up nice and high, and the ball should not move here. You're going to drop the hips low to the floor and then press up. So 10 of these. And 9. 8. You exhale on the lift. 7. Good squeeze. 6. Remember to hit that like button if you're enjoying. Is it benefiting you? Do consider subscribing and do share. Also, head over to glorifiedbodiesfitness.com because we now offer memberships. Yay! You get to customize your own workout programs. Make it as short and long as you like, and you get to specifically choose what is right for you. Okay, let's release that, pressing back. We also have lots of other things for memberships. We get lots of benefits. Got recipes, recipe of the month. All right, so head on over there and check it out and consider becoming a member. I will see you in the next video. Peace and love. Ta-ta.